Disclaimer, be safe. Safety first, second, third, last, all of the safety. Hey, what's up, Internet? I've got a red ring here on my Ego battery, doing all this stuff to press buttons to try to reset. It's not working. I figured out how to fix it. Here's how you can fix it. Bow. Taking these things apart, you just remove all of the screws. It's a little difficult to, unwedge the cap ends after you get the screws out. For the first time is going to be a little difficult. Now, this is one of the newer batteries, only a couple years old. I think it's a 2023. And prior revisions had a surface-mounted fuse. But what they've done now is they've just got a piece of copper in the circuit board where the leads are on the battery that acts as a fuse, which is kind of cool. They removed a part and just went with that. Now, I abused this battery. I used it for an unintended purpose with a DC to DC converter, but then it was, I made a boo-boo, so I know why this blew. What I did was I just took like pliers and I contacted those two copper parts together, which I also cleaned up before I shot video. And I pressed the gauge, the fuel gauge on the outside, and it lit up green, like it went through all the greens and then showed the level. Does that make sense? I think that makes sense. Anyway, it's just usually covered with the black material that is over the circuit board. But this one, it burned out, and you can see it even left a mark on the battery cells nearby. And I am going to bank that there is enough of the copper left over to continue to work as a fuse if it should be in another situation where it short circuits or something like that. You'll see here I'm using some like solder extracting copper folded up several times. And again, this is not replacing it with a fuse. This is just bridging between the other materials, hoping that they still will fail if an event occurs where a fuse is needed. But you'll see here I solder a bit of like lace copper in between the two leads, and that's it. Could this be dangerous? Yes. So be safe. Of all of the math that I tried to figure out the ampacity of that copper piece built into the board, I came to between 30 and 40 amps. So if you're looking for a fuse, maybe a 30 or 40 amp fuse, and you can also get a surface mount one. And I don't remember what the other older models had for fuses, but this is a 6 amp hour battery, and different size batteries will have different size fuses. Since making this repair, I charged it up and then chucked it in the zero turn mower and ran it down to about half with other batteries in a pretty short period of time. No issues. Hope that helped. See you later, Internet.